Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class of EVS, and I am your EVS teacher. I hope you all are fit and fine in your home. Children, in last video, we have learnt about those animals whose ears we can see and those animals whose ears we cannot see, and how can we recognize the animals by their ears. Okay, now today we will discuss about those animals whose patterns are be seen by their hairs and how can we recognize them. Okay, so let's start the topic whose skin. Now you know how to recognize animals by their ears. Yes, in that statement it is said that how can we recognize the animals by their ears types. Those topic we have discussed on previous video. Okay, let us see if we can recognize animals by their skin. In this topic we will discuss about animals and their skin and their pattern. So for this we will see the picture. Take a look on this picture. In this picture there are given some animals and their patterns. Those animals are without their patterns, and in these circles their patterns are given. So read the question. Match the animals shown here with the pictures of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. So you have to match the patterns with their animals. The first pattern is of deer. So match it with deer. The second of squirrel. So match it with squirrel. And the third pattern is of tiger. So match it with tiger. The fourth pattern of leopard. So match it with leopard. And the last pattern is of zebra. So match it with zebra. Okay, the different pattern of the animals are due to the hairs present on their skin. Yes, children, do you know that all patterns are made with hairs? Without hairs, that patterns are not possible. So each animals have the different type of patterns which are made up of hairs. Okay, have you ever seen an animal without hair or whose hairs have been removed? Yes, children, have you seen any animals without hairs? If any animals have been without hairs, that we cannot recognize them. Which kind of animal is that? Okay, imagine how the animal would look who did not have any hair on its skin. That imagination is very tough. Without hairs, animals are not be recognized by anyone. There would be no patterns. If any animal have not hair in his skin, so that's why they have not any kind of patterns also. So for this there are given a table of some animals. You might have seen of the animals given below. I think you have all familiar with all animals which are given in this table. Fox, frog, mouse, hen, elephant, crow, cat, camel, sparrow, peacock, buffalo, lizard, pigeon, pig, duck and cow. Yes, put the names of the animals in the table below. According to the characters which ears can be seen, you have to write in this column, and whose animals have hairs on the skin, you have to write in second column, and those animals whose ears cannot be seen, you have to write on third column, and those animals who have feathers in their body, you have write on fourth column. Okay, children, you all have write the all animals name on the columns on book. If you have not book, you have to write down the columns with the help of the video on the rough notebook and note down it on them. Okay. In which list did you put the cow and the buffalo? Yes, tell me the answer, children. Cow and buffalo are on which column? Yes, in first and second column. Cows and buffaloes' ears can be seen and they have hairs on their skin. And from a distance, can you see the hair on their skin? Yes. Do you see from far distance the hairs on their skin, like 1 meter or 2 meter distance? No. If the distance is so far from you, you have not seen the skin, not seen the hairs on their skin. If the distance will be reduced, then you will see. Okay? Try to go near one of them. If you go near of them, could you see the hair? Yes. If the distance is not very much far, you have seen. Okay? You have seen the hairs on cows and buffaloes' body. If you were to meet an elephant, would you dare to touch it? Yes, children. Have you seen any elephant in your life or you touch it? If you have seen, so you have write the answer. If you not seen, you have write no. Okay? Do you know that an elephant also has hair on its skin? Yes, children, do you know the answer? That the elephants have also the hairs on their skin? Yes. Elephant have the hairs on their skin. That is the last topic of today. We will meet on tomorrow in next video. Till then, have a nice day.